If you're running a service-based business, you already know how important it is to manage your finances effectively, but using accounting software can seem overwhelming, especially if you're not an expert. In this video, I'll show you how to use accounting software as a service-based business to streamline your financial processes and keep everything organized. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a special bonus just for you to help you get started quickly. First things first, let's talk about setting up your account. After signing up for the software, you'll usually need to enter your basic business details. This includes your business name, address, tax ID number, and any other relevant information. Don't worry, this part is simple and just ensures that your financials are correctly tracked and reported. Once you've set up your account, it's time to link your bank accounts. This is a critical step in automating your financial tracking. By connecting your bank account or payment processor to the software, it can automatically import your transactions. This eliminates the need to manually enter each payment or expense and keeps everything up to date in real time. Now let's talk about creating invoices. As a service-based business, you're likely sending invoices to clients regularly. With accounting software, you can create professional invoices quickly. You'll usually find customizable templates within the software, allowing you to adjust them with your business logo, payment terms, and due dates. The software also tracks when clients view or pay your invoices, helping you stay on top of payments. Another big advantage of accounting software is expense tracking. As a service-based business, you probably have a lot of variable costs, whether it's travel, tools, or software subscriptions. The good news is that accounting software can track these expenses for you. You can either manually enter each expense, or you can link your credit cards and bank accounts, so the software automatically categorizes and tracks your spending. Now let's talk about generating reports. One of the biggest benefits of using accounting software is the ability to generate financial reports automatically. Whether it's profit and loss, balance sheets, or cash flow reports, you can get a detailed snapshot of your business's financial health at the click of a button. This can help you make more informed decisions and stay ahead of potential issues. A key feature I highly recommend taking advantage of is tax management. Most accounting software has built-in tools to help you track your tax obligations. The software will often categorize your expenses and income in a way that makes tax filing easier come tax season. It's not only a time saver, but ensures you're not missing any important deductions that could save you money. Another great feature is time tracking for billing clients. If you're providing services based on hourly rates, many accounting software options allow you to log your hours directly within the software. It'll then calculate the total amount due, making it easier to invoice clients and get paid promptly. To wrap up, let's talk about automation. By automating repetitive tasks like invoicing, payments, and expense tracking, you can save a ton of time. And time is money, right? So, by integrating all of these tools, you can focus on growing your business and serving your clients without getting bogged down by financial details. The key takeaway here is that accounting software can completely transform the way you manage finances in your service-based business. From invoicing and expense tracking to tax management and financial reporting, using the right software makes your business run smoother and helps you make better financial decisions. Before I go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along and start improving your financial processes today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.